Good morning, all of you, and let's start today's class. So, today we will start from the basic, that is, what are the types of rays? Okay, what is that? What are the types of rays? So, basically, how many types of rays are there? Or first, what is a ray actually? Who will tell me what is a ray? Ray means what ray? Yes, the path along which the path along which light travels. The path along which light travels. Okay, this is what about ray. Next one, how many types of ray are there? So I'm using now just this stylus, we can say. So see, ray and its types. So first one is paraxial ray and another one is marginal ray. Paraxial and another one is marginal. Paraxial and marginal. So paraxial means what? Which are nearly parallel to the principal axis. Nearly parallel to the principal axis. And this is which makes large angles with principal axis. With principal axis. Okay, right? Next one, what is a beam? Chota beam nahi, okay? Sir, beam is a very small boy. The beam is a very small boy who eats laddus, almost 1,000 laddus, right? So not that beam, that is chota beam. This is beam. Okay. So what is beam? Bundle of rays. What is beam? Bundle of rays. Bundle of rays. जैसे रहता है ना फूलों का गुच्छ, फूलों का गुच्छा, मालूम है ना, जो हम देते हैं बुके बोलते हैं उसको, तो वो है फूलों का गुच्छा, है ना. Gend. Gend means what? Not ball. Gend means also fool only. Fool means not foolish. Means what? Flower. Huh? वैसे beam is what? Bunch of rays or bundle of rays. And next one is a pencil. Yes. What is a pencil? Yes. The pencil is one which you used to eat when you was 2 or 3 years old. Yes, white pencil which you used to use for black slate, है ना? Not that pencil. This pencil is nothing but the narrow beam. What is that? Narrow beam. Okay. Now again this beam is having some types, that is convergent beam, divergent beam and parallel beam. So you understood this. Beam means bundle of rays, pencil means narrow beam, and ray having two types. This is marginal rays and paraxial rays. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move ahead. Next one. Now beam as how many types you can see here? छोटा बीम, बड़ा बीम, है ना? नन्ना बीम, वो वाला नहीं. How many of you watched that Chota Beam serial? Anyone from you?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, so many of you, right? Okay, so see beam, and with the diagram I am giving you how many types of beam are there. Okay, so first one, second one, and this is third one. So pehla wala convergent. What is mean by convergence? Can anyone tell me what is mean by convergence?
Meeting at a certain point.
Very good. जैसे कि आप सारे घरों से मतलब अलग अलग घरों से कॉलेज में आते हो तो क्या होता है वो कन्वर्जेंस, है ना? कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स एंड मीटिंग एट वन पॉइंट. ओके, और उसके बाद जो है डाइवर्जेंट, इसका मतलब क्या है?
Which disassociate.
हाँ, मीन्स going back to homes, है ना? From one college to different home, right? Next one is what? Parallel. Parallel or parallel? Parallel beam. So how to draw the diagram for these convergent beam and divergent beam and all these things? So you see here, I am drawing one diagram for this convergent as well as for this divergent also, by considering one lens, that is convex lens, and this is parallel. Kinda chudandi, okay? And now this is principal axis. Okay, principal axis, principal axis. Okay. Now, first ray I am incidenting, that is because I want to draw convergent beam. So this is first, this is second, and now they will converge at one point. Is it a convergent beam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you see here it is meeting at this point. At this point it is meeting. Next, if we will see, that is divergent beam, how it is. Now, in case of convex lens, if suppose your object is somewhere here, from here we have kept one torch, and then from this how rays are going like this, okay, like this, and as they are coming from one point, they will go like this, which are something away from one another, like parallel to the principal axis. So this is divergent case. Next one is parallel. So if you are incident some rays, okay, which are parallel to the principal axis, but not from infinity. So sometimes like this, if you are incidenting for certain range, I am talking about for certain range, okay. जैसे कि समझो अब कोई हम कॉन्वेक्स लेंस या तो कोई भी ऐसे लेंस है जो छोटा है, तो उसका अगर फोकस बड़ा है तो ये ऐसे पैरेलल रेज आते हैं, है ना. So we are just considering like this rays which are parallel to the principal axis. This is just diagram, okay. They are not meeting at focus. We are considering such type of rays in some region. Otherwise, you will say, sir, why they are not meeting at focus? But I am considering some region, means which is very, some rays are very near to the principal axis now, which they will not meet. So like that, some will pass now as it is. That rays I am considering here. Understood? Clear hai? Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear. Okay. Right. Let's move ahead. Now, what is object and what are its types? So what is the next one? Next question. What is object? What is object? And what are its types? What are its
Good
types?
morning, sir. Sorry, I was late to the class.
Okay. What are its types? Good morning. See here. Right. So what you know about object? Can you tell me? What is object actually? See, when you are in front of mirror, you are also one object. Yes or no? But according to you, what is meant by object? Can you tell me? Yes. See here, I am writing like this for object. So object is nothing but source of light rays. Source of light rays that are incident on an optical element. On an optical element. है ना. जब तक कोई लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट पे नहीं गिरेगी तब तक इमेज कैसे फॉर्म होगा? यस और नॉट. तो सोर्स ऑफ लाइट रेज दैट आर इंसिडेंट ऑन एन ऑप्टिकल एलिमेंट. So how many types of object are there? How many types of object? Here also real object and virtual object. Object real भी हो सकता है, virtual भी हो सकता है ना. कैसे? सर हमने तो सुना है कि images are real and virtual but not the object. So how object can be real or virtual? So see here, I will give you that with diagram also. Don't worry. Real object. So just I am writing real and virtual. Sir, is object a ghost? No. It's just what? Appearing phenomena. Let's see ahead. Wait. So real and virtual. Okay. Nowadays you see, you are getting some cameras or projectors, we can say particularly projectors. Huh? So they will create images even in the air also. Okay. What I told, understood? So sometimes some virtual objects are there. Their images we can see even in the air also. That is what ghost in horror movies. Particularly, they are using such type of projectors. Okay, understand? Have you seen suddenly something is coming and going? So that is what just projection. Projection of means light on some particles. Yes, holograms. Yes or no? So this is what we are using. So this type of things, virtual object which we cannot take on screen, or that is images and all, but just about object I am talking. Okay. So let's move ahead. See here. So real object means what? If two or more incident rays, if I will give its diagram also ahead, just wait. If two or more incident rays, wait, what I will do, I will give here only, just I will increase this space so that you will understand more better. रियल ऑब्जेक्ट का डायग्राम और वर्चुअल डायग्राम का डायग्राम सेपरेटली करेंगे. ओके, विद डायग्राम. तो हियर हम ले लेंगे वर्चुअल सो दैट वी कैन फिक्स डायग्राम आल्सो इन इट. सो दिस इज वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट. If two or more incident rays, if two or more incident rays actually emanate emanate means what? Coming from one point. Okay, emanate or seem to emanate or seem to emanate from a point. From a point means emerging type of meaning, right? So see here, one diagram I am giving you for real object. Suppose this is the optical element. Optical element means anything, maybe lens or mirror or whatever it is. So, and in this case, suppose I have taken one point here and from which these light rays are coming. Okay, like this. Have you seen how they are emerging from one point? Then this is what? Real object. What is this then? This point is what? Real object. This point. Yellow से करेंगे. Yellow dirty fellow. यहाँ पे बैठ जा. Yes. तो क्या है? ये जो है, ये yellow वाला, वो क्या है? Real object. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. और ये जो मैंने बक्सा निकाला है, ये बक्सा क्या है? ऑप्टिकल एलिमेंट. ऑप्टिकल एलिमेंट मीन्स मे बी लेंस और मिरर. ओके, कुछ डाउट, कोई संदेह है? वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट. अब ये वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स पॉइंट ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस इज वर्चुअल. पॉइंट ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस इज वर्चुअल. पॉइंट ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस इज वर्चुअल. कैसे है? पॉइंट ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस इज वर्चुअल. वर्चुअल मतलब क्या रे? जूम मीटिंग है ना, व्हाट्सएप का वीडियो कॉल, ये क्या है? सब वर्चुअल है. सही है नहीं है? रियल बोले तो जब कॉलेज शुरू होता है ना, हाँ तब होता है रियल शुरू. यस, सही है नहीं है? Which can't be captured on the screen is virtual. Okay. बट बेसिकली जो हम जूम में अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं ये वर्चुअल है ना? यस. और जब कॉलेज में रहता है तो वो क्या है? रियल है ना? ओके. सो पॉइंट ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस इज वर्चुअल मीन्स virtual object. Okay, virtual, this is not the meaning of virtual. Virtual is point of conversion. No, this is virtual object, type of object. यहाँ पे देखो, और उसके बाद virtual means what? Virtual object means point of convergence is virtual. जैसे कि let's take one optical element and we will incident parallel rays. यहाँ पे देखो नीचे आ रहा है डायग्राम. ये है आपका ऑप्टिकल एलिमेंट, सेम लाइक above. And now I am incidenting like this rays which are little bit. So I will elongate this ray like this so that it is easy for me to join this. Okay. But ये जो है ये एक्चुअली यहाँ पे मीट नहीं होंगे. दिस इज वर्चुअल. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डिनोटिंग विथ डॉटेड लाइन. With dotted line. So are they actually meeting there at this point? फिर से मैं ले रहा हूं. कौन सा वाला पॉइंट लेंगे? ये वाला पॉइंट. नाउ ये जो रेज है ये वाले, ये अभी यहां से पास हो रहे हैं, but they are not passing actually. They are appearing to meet. They appear to meet. That's why that is virtual point. And that is what? Virtual object. तो इसीलिए ये वाला जो पॉइंट है ये क्या है? Virtual object. Yes. And obviously this is what? Optical element. Optical element. Understand? जैसे कि मिरर हो, मिरर से तो रेज यहाँ पे पीछे नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन इसका जो ऑब्जेक्ट का जो इमेज है वो यहाँ पे मिलेगा, और ये है मिरर की कंडीशन. एंड दैट्स व्हाई व्हाटएवर यू आर वाचिंग इन द मिरर दैट इज वर्चुअल. अंडरस्टैंड? क्लियर? Okay, yes. Seeing teachers and friends in a 2D and 7 to 10 inch. Okay, that is virtual. Okay, good. Nicely you understood. Right. Shall we move ahead? Yes. And if you are bored in lockdown and sometime if you got the chance to go out, don't eat 20 plates of pani puris. Okay. Sir, I ate 20, but okay. Sir, can you repeat virtual object? Yes, definitely. So see here, virtual object means point of convergence is virtual. Point of convergence is virtual. Means actually the rays are not meeting there, or they are not coming from, or the point of convergence is virtual, not actual. जहां पे ये रेज मीट हो जाएंगे वो पॉइंट एक्चुअली नहीं होता है, वो क्या होता है? वर्चुअल होता है. दैट इज व्हाट? वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट. यहाँ पे मैंने दिखाया है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? Even yes, it is image. Even suppose the ray direction is this side also, but we can't show like that direction here. Although appear to converge or appear to emanate or meeting, that is also same point, not an issue. So even like this also object is there. Okay, virtual object we can consider like that. Okay, जैसे कि what is happening here, let me explain. The one who has asked doubt, that is very valid. It's appear to meet known virtual. Yes, of course. Why it is a virtual object? Because see, I will show you one diagram for the same thing again. Just listen. One who has asked me this doubt, what is his name? Yes, Lakshmi, and one more. Abu, wait, 1 minute, you wait. ये जो है, yes, wait. Now why it is a virtual object? Because see, if these are the rays coming, its real image will, after reflection, these rays will go like this. Can you see here? Yes, see here, see, like this they will meet, and then this will be your image. Okay, and this will become your object. Understand? Virtual object, real image. Virtual object, real image. The distance may be same, this distance and this distance, although in diagram I have drawn little bit less distance, but this distance may be same. Okay, so this is what actual image and this is what virtual object. So for virtual object you will get real image. So when I am next topic is what is an image and its types, that time I will give you like this diagrams. Virtual object, how it can give you real images. Okay, so wait, understood? Till here you understood? Let me clear this virtual object का जो मैंने इसमें diagram में image mix किया है, this is not necessary, this was just for your understanding. Okay, clear है? Yes, good, good, understood. The one who has asked doubt, did you understand? Their real image will form. Understood? Like that rays are not meeting, they will reflect back from the mirror if suppose we are considering. Okay, good. तो एक बार मैं ये क्लियर कर लूं, थोड़ा सा क्लियर करेंगे, इरेज करेंगे इसको. Okay, don't draw these images because in next topic I am telling you all about object and images. Okay, yes, clear hai? Any doubt? Yes, virtual image means what? Virtual image, the image which we cannot take it on screen, and that is virtual image. Okay, so let's move ahead and see the next one, that is what are the types of images. यहाँ पे आपको as you have asked me question now, someone asked me, sir, can you give me the difference between real and okay? Yes, definitely. See here. Now, what is an image? And its difference also I am going to tell you. What is an image? What are its types? What are its types? Okay. So see, first of all, what is an image? Image. This is not only the point of convergence, but also apparent point of divergence. That's why little bit difference as compared with your lower classes. Here, it is the point of convergence. I will clearly give you idea, don't worry. It is the point of convergence or apparent point of divergence. Or apparent point of divergence means what? Where they are going away, है ना? It is the point of convergence or apparent point of divergence. Or apparent point of divergence of rays after they interact with a given optical element. After they interact with a given optical element. अब इसके इमेज टाइप्स देखो, आपको बहुत क्लियरली आ जाएगा समझ में, डायग्राम के साथ जल्दी जल्दी सुनेंगे. और इसके टाइप्स देखो कितने हैं, डायग्राम के साथ. लिसन केयरफुली. ओके, जो तुम्हें डाउट थे सारे अब इसमें क्लियर हो जाएंगे. वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है, रियल ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है, सब कुछ यहाँ पे. तो इमेजेस में पहला वाला रियल, यहाँ पे है वर्चुअल, रियल इमेज, वर्चुअल इमेज। reflected or refracted rays actually meet at a point. Understand? लेंस है तो कौन से रेज? रिफ्रैक्टेड रेज। मिरर है तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज। एक्चुअली मीट एट अ पॉइंट, दैट इज व्हाट रियल इमेज। वर्चुअल इमेज मतलब क्या है? रेज do not meet at a point. Do not meet at a point. Okay, this is what appears to meet, not actual phenomena. Appears to meet, है ना? वो क्या है? Virtual. Next one you see, next point. This type of images can be taken on screen. Can be taken on screen. कौन से images? Real images. Next, cannot taken on screen. Cannot be taken on screen. This difference everyone knows. Next one, real and virtual object. Real and virtual objects can form real images, and in this case virtual images also can be formed by either real or virtual objects. Either real or virtual objects. Okay, sir, but can you tell me one example of this real object virtual image or virtual object real image? Yes. So let's see here. I am drawing diagrams also fast. We have very less time left. Okay, so see here, I am drawing few diagrams for your understanding. Then you will understand how virtual objects and real virtual object real image or real object virtual image. So see here, let's take three fast optical elements. I am taking, this is optical element number 1, this is optical element number 2, and this is optical element number 3. So see now, first one I am taking 1 point, real object wala, real object real image. Wait for 1 minute. Real object real image, how it is? See now, here rays will go like this, then this will go like this, yes, and these rays will meet again like this. If such a type of thing is there, if these rays are coming like this and meeting here, then this is real object, and here it is real image. Okay, real object real image in this case. Next one, you see, if I am taking this as a mirror, if I am taking this as a mirror, see what happens. Here also mirror and here also mirror, and just this side is coated or silvered, we can say. Even in this also we have silvered. Listen fast. So see here, if suppose something is coming like this, and these rays are going like this after reflection, then these rays are meeting somewhere here. Okay, this is like this. So here now you tell what is this? This is real image, and this is what here? Virtual object. Understood? And last one you see. Wait. 1 minute. Is in this case we have to reverse this directions because this is not going to meet here. 1 minute. Because this is real image now. So here this should be like this. After reflection here, then only this is I can say real image virtual object. And this one you see one more point fast. So now reverse of this which I draw already. So like this, these rays are coming, and then after reflection they are going like this. Okay, understanding? See, like this they are going. So this is what your virtual point of meeting. You can see here. So here it is virtual image, and this is what? Real object. This is also plane mirror. This is also plane mirror. Understand? So real image, virtual object. So rays are coming like this. This direction you see properly. Okay, and after reflection they are meeting here. Okay, this is like